Look how this driver is approaching to hit a biker. Do you see how much space he has on his left? Trying to do the same to me?
See, the sun is setting on the beautiful Dal Lake here. On the right hand side of the sunset is Hari Parvat. It will get more beautiful when it sets a bit more and turns into a red ball. Then it will give a different kind of an aura. I got to start work on my map and geography skills more. I need to know the name of these mountains, but I honestly don't think I'll be able to remember all the mountains that come in our side because there are tons of them. But maybe the famous ones definitely. So yeah, I was just talking about the comfort and the rideability of Himalayan versus Continental GT. So I think it's just 30 minutes in and I can feel a bit of a strain on my arms, while the back is fine. The back does not it does not hurt you too much or bother you too much in the back, but arms are the one that take more beating. Oh, a new road. क्या बात है यार, निशात में, और वो भी नया रोड. After so many years they finally got the budget to lay a piece of nice road. I don't think the congestion is still gone. The construction is still continuing. What they have recently done is they have put in these tiles near the Nishad Garden. This is the Nishad Garden. This is the entry. And these are the folks enjoying the Nishad Gardens. And a lot of work is still going on there, you can see. JCBs, bulldozers. This was previously a parking that we had here. It was an extension of the road, but they had some other plans. Maybe somebody needs a bit of a shelter from the rain. Oh, horsey. I think for me the most annoying part in Continental GT is that its brakes. You never get that kind of a confidence that you have a good control on your bike. When you want it to stop, you will be able to maybe make it stop, not immediately, but maybe be able to make it stop in a controllable fashion. But I think that's the thing that's lacking in Continental GT. I have that kind of an experience, not only in Continental GT, but I think that is an issue with all the RE, Royal Enfield bikes, that brakes are not that good. I think it might be a blessing in disguise that I accidentally ordered DJI 1, DJI Mic 1 instead of DJI Mic 2. I think I'm saving some 10,000 bucks. So, and maybe the functionality that DJI 2 has is not needed by me, at least at this point of time. If my motovlogging is going fine, then I'm okay. I don't need the bells and whistles the Mic 2 is offering. I have seen the comparisons. The feature that I think is good in that is the noise suppression. The background noise suppression is a good feature to have. If I think that should be standard all across. If it is DJI 1, it should have been there because it's not a cheap piece of equipment. The voice should be good, should be clear, and then with the addition of the sounds from the environment, it would be proper. It's not good to cancel all of this out, all of the external noise out. So this is an evening kind of a scene here. The road we are going on as of now is known as Foreshore Road. Foreshore, yeah, Foreshore Road. So it's a bit of an alternate route to Nishat. It connects via University of Kashmir. Sometimes this is the de facto route when in the evenings, especially in summers, when the main route is choked due to high number of people visiting this place. This is nothing. At the weekends this place will be bustling. There won't be space. The cars will be moving very slowly in these areas throughout. I mean, from the boulevard point onwards will be slow traffic. I don't want to get stuck behind the very slow moving traffic, but I don't want to go very fast as well. This is a very busy road, so going slow is something good. I think we missed the red aura that I was talking about in the sky when the sun sets. I think this is a bit of a glimpse of, I mean, everybody knows the sunset, but seeing sunsets at different places of the world is something good, something nice. So glad if I can be of any help. I have been enjoying these roads for years now. I'm lucky, I'm blessed that I was born here. This is my hometown with such a beauty. Hopefully I'll show you all the beauty here, all the magnificence that we have in Kashmir. Hopefully I'll be able to show you all that. And all the potholes, all the small, all the big, all the grand, all the tiny potholes that we have here. Sometimes I have to jump. I'm okay. I'm okay not to just. I can easily take over at this point of time. भाई मार डालना है।
मैं अपनी लेन में हूँ, मैं अपनी लेन में था, अपनी लेन में था।
नहीं आप अपनी लेन में, यू केम ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ब्रदर। सी हम बैठ के देख सकते हैं, फुटेज भी देख सकते हैं,
डॉक्टर बाय प्रोफेशन।
बट व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज वेरी डेंजरस।